Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing your diary format and committing to a quick first entry. Pick digital for search or paper for tactile recall. Write today's date, list 3 priorities, and add 1 study time block. This starts momentum. Once done, note any deadlines and a simple goal for the week so you have direction. Make sure to label subjects and use short tags for fast lookup. This establishes structure early and makes the diary usable from the very first page. Now you build consistency. Schedule 2 to 3 focus study blocks per subject and assign each a clear purpose, like review, practice, or read. As you work, mark tasks complete and immediately migrate any unfinished items to the next day with a new priority. This prevents backlog. Once you adopt color coding and simple symbols for priority, scanning becomes fast. Make sure to include a 5-minute reflection at the end of each session to capture insights and tweak tomorrow's plan accordingly. Finish by establishing weekly review habits that keep the diary effective. Spend 15 to 20 minutes each Sunday updating goals, moving deadlines, and cleaning notes. If you notice recurring slippage, stop and cut non-essential tasks by half and redistribute time blocks. This reduces overload quickly. Make sure to write 1 troubleshooting note per problem, what went wrong and 1 fix, so you learn patterns. If things still fail, switch formats or reduce commitments for 1 week to reset momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.